So you have seen a lot of faceless channels on YouTube, but almost all of them say the same thing: to hire a freelance team on Fiverr and get started easily. But what they don't tell you is that it's very hard to find a good team who can write informative scripts, do the quality voiceovers, etc. Cost is also a concern because if you want good talent, then you have to pay more. And this is also a myth that AI voiceovers can't be monetized. Well, you can learn from experienced people like me. Since I've earned tens of thousands of dollars online by offering YouTube automation services to my clients, I know exactly what works and what does not. For example, here's my old channel, which is monetized, and almost all the videos out there contain AI voiceovers. And even this channel, all the videos contain AI voiceover, and I'm doing good. Here's a pro tip. If you are starting a YouTube business, just don't use free tools, because those voiceovers sound robotic. But you can use premium platforms and start a successful channel like me. Don't worry. I am going to show you a good AI platform that can handle your script writing, generate customized voiceovers with advanced settings, translate, and even generate or align the subtitles for you, along with the background music and lots of cool sound effects. It's like a one-stop shop and relatively very cheap, so the platform is called dupdub. It's already a successful platform, as you can see its user base. I like its AI writing feature, which helps in writing video scripts, marketing pitches, ad copies, as well as tutorials and creative stories. Their AI voiceovers are tailored for all types of niches. Whether it's for an ad, learning and training, marketing, audiobooks, podcast style, documentary, and even YouTube style. You can also clone all types of voices from celebrities to brands and even your own voice. And the best part is, you can generate transcriptions, translations, subtitles, and can even download any video just inserting the link. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted with the studio dashboard. Here you have your existing projects, and from here, you can structure your projects in folders for quick access. The lexicon is the dictionary where you teach the AI to learn from your instructions. I'll show that in a moment. Now let's create a script and voiceover. After clicking on New File button, a new project is created, and you can put a name at the top left corner as well as create or assign a folder to this project. Now here's the fun part. Press the / button on your keyboard to start using its AI writing feature. It opens up a menu from where you can choose what type of writing you want to start. For example, I'll choose brainstorming ideas because I don't know what to write. Now type your topics such as 5 unique benefits of ChatGPT, other than its competitors. Now press enter and let the AI create the content. Now I have 5 benefits of ChatGPT. Now I can niche down further and select the 5th one to write a video script about it. And there you have different options, such as you can ask it to continue writing further and give us more benefits of ChatGPT, or improve this above written text in a better way. You can even change its tone, such as humorous. This is a really great feature to make your script more engaging and will create a really nice script in a funny tone. You can also ask it to make it longer or shorter, or select insert below to add it to the page. Now let's write a video script about ethical guidelines of ChatGPT in, let's say, 300 words. Now it starts writing and even gives your context about opening shot, scene transitions, as well as ending shot for the video. Now the next part is voiceover, which is where this tool really excels. Simply go to this pop-up at the right side and click on the avatar. Here you have all the premium and standard voices along with different languages, which also opens up the submenu for further stylizing the audio. And from here, set a tone of the voice as per your desired style. The custom speed slider is one of a kind, and I've never seen such option in other AI voiceover platforms. And you can quickly filter the audio profiles by choosing a scenario, style, gender, and even age of the personality. Let's check some voice samples. Simply select a part of the text and then click on the preview button.
Guideline 1. Transparency and disclosure. It is imperative to inform users that they are interacting with an AI chatbot. Transparency avoids any deception and helps manage user expectations. Clearly stating that the conversation is with an AI system fosters trust and ensures ethical use.
I really like the Albywood profile, which is a nice profile and normally sounds like this. But when you set it to whisper, it sounds really great.
Guideline 1. Transparency and disclosure. It is imperative to inform users that they are interacting with an AI chatbot. Transparency avoids any deception and helps manage user expectations. Clearly stating that the conversation is with an AI system fosters trust and ensures ethical use.
There are even more custom features which no other AI voiceover platform offers, like you can assign alias to words and can add them to lexicon so that the AI remembers this word next time. Phoneme, when there is a special character that you want to include. If you have any specific text like temperature or any kind of currency symbol, you can set the pronunciation as well by selecting it and clicking on the Say As button. Let's say the word is ChatGPT. I can instruct it to consider GPT as alphabets, but not a word. You can even emphasize on a specific feature or word by selecting it, and then clicking on this emphasis button, which will open up a menu on the word, and you can choose emphasis, elongation, or both. This is really handy when you are generating voiceovers for a documentary or a scary story. And here's the sample.
Bias awareness and mitigation. Bias in AI systems can perpetuate discrimination and inequality.
Now let's say you have some high-paced and low-paced scenes. You can select a sentence and click on local speed button to set a custom speed just for that sentence, or even multiple sentences.
Guideline 2. User consent and privacy. Respecting user privacy is essential.
And the best part is, if you want to include multiple speakers in the script, simply select any specific text and then click on multi-speaker button and select the desired voiceover profile just for that part. If the voice rhythm is not good on any specific words, such as if there is a pause or you want to reduce the pause duration, then place the cursor on that word and click on rhythm to set accordingly from the submenu. Or even add a pause similarly if you want so.
Bias in AI systems can perpetuate discrimination and inequality.
In the pause settings, you can set the duration of a pause for special characters such as comma, period, question mark, etc. To make it engaging and entertaining, you can click on the sound effect button and choose some really cool sound effects from the library, and can even upload your own sound. Just click where you want to add a sound effect, then choose the one you want.
It is 30 Celsius outside.
Not only that, you also have control over its volume. Similarly, you have a library of royalty-free background music with an option to filter between scenarios and styles, or upload your own music. To save your time, you can use the batch mode to find and replace different things in the whole script, such as text, alias, phoneme, say as, and rhythm. For example, I can set alias for ChatGPT as chatbot in the whole script. And if you want to turn on or off a lexicon file, you can do so here. If you already have a text file, video or audio file, or even a video link to transcribe a video, you can import from here. By clicking on Generate button, we'll compile all the voiceover data and generate a file, or click on Export to download a high-quality WAV file, MP3, MP4 with subtitles, or just an SRT file to upload to YouTube for subtitles. By going back to the studio dashboard, here we have the transcription tool to upload a video or audio file for transcription, or import a video from the internet via URL. It will transcribe the whole video in just a matter of minutes, and from there, you can copy the text or click on text-to-speech button to edit the script and generate voiceover. On the translation tool, you can paste a blog post for text in any language, and then select the language from the right side to translate it. After that, click on Convert Text-to-Speech to take it to the voiceover tool. On the subtitle alignment tool, you have the ability to upload any video or audio file, and then upload the text file, which is generally a script, and let the AI handle the alignment so that it can create perfect timestamps for the subtitles. The video download tool helps you to download any video from the internet. If there are multiple videos, just paste the URL and then click on Parse Links. Okay, you might be wondering, how much does it cost? Well, the good news is you can test this platform for free with up to 5,000 preview characters, or get a personal or professional plan to start creating your awesome content in just a matter of minutes. And if you sign up with the link in the video description, you can get an additional 15% discount on the annual plan, along with the default 25% savings by using my code SCHOLAR15. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start your own Faceless YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more about Faceless channel strategy and how I grew my own channel, then check out this video.